Hello everybody, in this video I will back test in the week of October 30th to November 3rd on US30 or YM futures. Without further ado, let's start. First thing I do is I like to go on the 1 hour and I like to get the trend. The way that I do it is I grab the line charts and I try to get the structure like this. In this case, we can see either a massive downtrend that is it might be, no, this is still a downtrend, so I'll consider this a downtrend right here. Downtrend. And then I would like to go on the 30 to see more. Okay. All right, so because it's still a downtrend, I will be looking for shorts. The key levels that I'm gonna be interested in are possibly this level right here. This is massive right here. And another one that I will care about possibly is this one. Then this key level right here is really good. This one, not so much. Even though it could, this one could be like a low probability type setup right here. I don't like this one too much. It already got hit, so I'm gonna leave it as is. Now on the other side, I have to look for possible take profits. So at the moment, I am not looking for, let's see, 915. This is what we have. There's this wick right here. So definitely, but this will be blue. Okay, so I already drew my key levels. Now I am looking for shorts here and here. The reason being is we're on a downtrend. I drew the key levels, so I need to see not 1 minute candles react properly around these levels. I am not looking for longs until this gets broken. And without further ado, let's start. So right now it'll be right, first candle is like this. Second candle is like this. Now in here, this is interesting. It might be an engulfing and it's pretty valid. However, that's a lot, or actually you will have to place your stop loss all the way over here. And for that reason, it's over 50 pips. I'm not taking this trade at all. At all. Also, this is not an engulfing candle because as you can see, there is a wick there. And that wick has to be engulfed too. So the engulfing, in order to be engulfing, has to be this big, right? And it starts right here. So this is not an engulfing. If I go on the 2 minute, it looks like this. All right, no problem. I'm not taking this trade despite it reacting at one of my key levels. So I will continue. I'm not looking for any place right now. However, there is a low of the day that's being formed right here. So this could be a possible take profit level. I'm seeing the action right now at what will be high of the day. This is interesting because the high of the day got broken right here. But when this happens, this is bullish for me. Based on my setup, this is bullish. When half the day gets broken, this is bullish, so I'll be looking for a pullback for longs. At this moment, because the bigger trend, it's not bullish, I am not looking for longs at all. I'm just looking for shorts. So my first try was here. This happened, so I passed on it, no problem. My second try will be over here. So I'll be waiting and see what to do. Yep, so as you can see, the favorite retracement. Fair enough. Okay, I see what's going on now. Now, this is interesting. This is what I like to see. Higher low got formed right here. Higher low got formed right here. Delete this. Higher low got formed here. It got broken. So now I am looking for shorts using this retracement right here. So I will be waiting to see action at this level and take some shorts. This is one of my setups. I call it a change of character setup. Why? Simple. We're on an intraday uptrend. There is a higher low form. The higher low gets broken, so the change of character is happening right here. Then I wait for a pullback. I hop in that pullback and I get this leg. I'm explaining once again. So higher low gets formed. We think it's gonna go up. It breaks the higher low, creating a change of character. I wait for a pullback and then I play this leg right here. That is my setup. Okay. So now it's time to wait for the pullback to this point right here. If any. It might come, it might not come. I also have to wait for the right candle. So now it's starting to show weakness. This is great. And I have to use multiple time frames to see my entry. So this is not showing any sorts of weakness, although that is a hammer there. It's very interesting. I'm doubtful on taking this trade right now because it is a pin bar. However, now it is perfect. This is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the correct pin bar at my setup. So right here, I see a shooting star that matches my strategy. So in this case, my entry is called the following. Downtrend on the 1 hour. We are at a key level, which is that red line that I created earlier before market open. And then we have a change of structure on the 1 minute. And we have a 61 fib retracement. And we also have a 1 minute shooting star. At this point, I will be loading my shorts as follows. Boom. And the way that my stop loss will look, I like to put it 6 points above. So it's 15 right at the wick. Add 6 to it, so it'll be like 21. And my take profit could be anywhere. In this case, we can be, let's try to do, we can try to touch these levels right here. Or we can try to be greedy. I will try to be greedy all the way to low of the day, but I will manage it. Or I could just put it right here. I think I will do this. It's still over 2R at this level of, I guess, another higher low that got formed intraday. So this is my trade. Let's see how it plays out. Okay, so it seems like I will be taking profits soon. Oops, never mind. Boom, there you go. So at this point, I took profits. Again, I took profits because it was this level right here. I could have waited, hold it all the way to low of the day, but sometimes it depends on where your account is standing. You hold the trades longer or not. And that is literally the trade. It's not difficult, it's pretty simple. I show you the pre-market plan, I showed the strategy, the levels, everything, and specifically at the end, my take profit. I would like to see what happens next. It might have hit my take profit, the final one. Okay, it ended up hitting my final take profit around here for an additional, it went from 54 points to about 75 points, and that's okay. So ultimately, man, focus on trading your plan and having a risk to reward of over 2R. In my case, I had like a 50, like a 2R type trade, so that's fine. Or I could have had a 3.5, but I'm not gonna dwell on it. It's still profit where I made $580. Of course, this is back testing, but it still is money that you could use because this could be $5,000. This could be X amount of dollars depending on the account you have. So we took a dub today. It was a short after a change of character, and that will be it for Monday, 10/30/2023.